input manually, every flight. So if we do that, we're gonna waste a lot of time. It's very technical. So we save the flight, so all the speeds are all the same. Okay, good to go. Let's go for it, sir, and let's fly. I love these. Press a little bit to your right foot, just a bit.
80 knots.
A little bit more. Still not going to the right. Press and hold like this. There you go. Okay.
V1. Rotate.
Perfect. You're up. Hold a little bit more. Forward. There you go. Perfect. Very good. So we're going to climb to 2,000 feet. We're going to keep the wing straight a little bit. You see? Now we're straight. 2,000 feet, we're going to make our first turn, okay? And then I'll put it back the flight director for you.
And bring it back to the pink.
Yes, sir. And we're going to follow the flight director again. See, it's moving to the left. We're going to pull back just a little bit like that. There you go. As you don't have much time to be looking outside, though.
No. Can you look outside? Can you look outside?
Water looks great.
See a golf course. So you really are mostly flying on instruments and not looking out the window very often.
Yeah? No?
Except for the landing.
Now, we do training. We do train for, supposedly we have a power failure. You don't have this screen. How would you fly the plane?
Oh.
We have one, we have two, and we have a little backup system right there.
Okay.
Supposedly we have a completely power failure. We have nothing. Now we need to look at outside.
Dark.
Well, it happened before. You guys remember Swiss Air accident?
Yeah.
10 years ago,
Yeah.
no, 15 years ago. They had fire, smoke, and they lost at the end, they lost all the power. They ended up crashing. The reason is they took too long to land on the airport.
Yeah.
They didn't realize it was such an emergency, and they were trying to dump the fuel. So,
Second I'd see smoke, I'd be like, let's land.
yeah, exactly.
Done.
So every airplane accident there is a report. The reason for the report is exactly for us to learn from the mistake. Now let's see who have this weather.
Oh. It doesn't matter because I'm still flying by
Exactly.
that pink
There you go.
square.
And
Oh, that makes a lot of sense.
you have to rely on the instruments big time.
Does that radar pick up other planes around?
It does. Very good.
Oh, my speed.
So let's go back to a clear day, okay? So we can join the island.
Oh, I didn't even realize that we were in the midst of a turn. I guess I should have looked at the
Now,
horizon.
is your second flight, you just be flying a few minutes, you realize how steady you are already?
Yeah.
Look at that. No autopilot, huh? And I'm not doing anything.
Yeah.
The only thing I'm helping you out is the speed, which the auto throttle is on.
Oh, yeah, because you start to realize that it's super sensitive. Like, you don't have to go very far at all.
Exactly. Very good, very good. Now we're gonna put it back the autopilot so you can relax. Go for it. Doing that for us.
Oh, this?
Okay, yeah. The message comes up there. same message here.
Okay.
Now we can relax. Now,
You're gonna
usually,
wonder why I'm sore tomorrow.
usually 2,000 feet out of pilot long, we don't fly the plane anymore.
Right.
And back again on landing, 2,000 feet, then we disconnect, and then we land the plane. It's mandatory to each pilot has such a number of takeoff and landings manually a year.
Right.
So let's say we're working together. You are the captain, I'm the co-pilot. We're gonna do 4 flights. As the captain, you're gonna make the call. You're gonna say first leg is mine, second leg is yours, third leg is mine again, fourth leg is yours. Each leg is a takeoff and a landing. When he says that it's mine, he's gonna be taking off and land the plane.
Right.
So, and I'll be helping him with the speed, the flaps, the gears, all the instruments, the radio. He's only gonna be doing exactly what we're doing,
Oh, okay.
flying the plane. Okay. The second leg, I'm flying the plane. Now it's his turn to do all the radio.
Right.
Why is that? We're both up to date to do everything.
Right.
If the captain does everything, I only do the radio, emergency comes about, I'm rusty to fly the plane.
Right.
Don't forget, pilot's license is valid for 1 year.
Huh.
1 year only. And every year we gotta go back to the simulator and do the test. And we have to pass the test. If you don't pass it, you're gonna have a phone call from your supervisor. What's going on?
You're not flying.
You're not flying, you're out of schedule. What's happening? You lose it? Did you forget it? Well, no, this and that. Then you go back again, second chance. If you don't pass it, you're fired.
Wow.
As simple as that.
That's great.
So basically, simulators are made for pilots to train emergencies. What happens on a day-to-day basis? Start the engines, taxi the plane, take off, fly, autopilot, blah blah blah, land it, that's it. No emergency.
Right.
We have to be up to date on emergencies.
Yeah.
So we train all kind of emergencies every year. So if an emergency comes about, I'm trained for it.
Right.
It's different than a driver's license. We never train. We
Yeah,
did the test once. I have my driver's license for 20, 30 years. Okay. And I never did a test again.
Oh, exactly.
I just renewed the license. It's a little different.
Yeah.
Now, I have selected already the procedure for us to land the plane. So
Right.
we are here and we're gonna go to the evacuate point.
Okay.
So a little trick, I'm gonna press this hold.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make the turn, you see?
Yeah.
But we are not turning yet because we are holding, right?
Right.
So now we press select. And there's a plane below us, 2,500 feet.
Okay.
That's the message you were asking about the plane, right there.
Yeah.
Now, we're gonna descend to 3,000 feet.
Okay.
Select 3,000. Gonna press here, vertical speed. And let's say we're gonna go down 1,000 feet per minute. Scroll, there you go, 1,000 feet. Minus. That's it. We are already descending. Now, do you see this little green line?
Yeah.
There's also information for us. It's telling us where we're gonna be at 3,000 feet. If I need to be 3,000 feet here at the evacuate point, it's pretty much there. If it's not, I can change it, the rate of descent. So we go down a little faster,
Right.
and we make sure that we'll be at 3,000 feet over here.
Okay.
So we're gonna turn a little bit more, all the way to the evacuate point. We're gonna reduce speed to 180.
It's a lot of change.
Now, we are not reducing the speed yet.
No.
That's all right. We have a speed brake. Okay? And I'm going to show you quickly. That's us. See the speed brakes right there.
I've seen those.
Now look at the speed.
Oh, now it's dropping.
See?
Yeah.
So when you are in the plane and you hear this noise, you know it's the speed brake, or you see from over the wing. So the airport is right over there.
Oh my goodness.
We are right 15. Once again, we already have the diamonds on. See?
Right.
So the diamonds are the ILS, Instrumental Landing System, which is the little antenna signal coming out of the runway. Okay? So it's showing us almost in the center, and it's still showing us to go a little bit to the right, correct?
Right.
So I'm gonna have the flight director off. Once again, we're gonna follow that, okay? So we're gonna disconnect the autopilot,
Okay.
left thumb on the control. A message comes in,
Yep.
red alert, right here in our face as well.
Yep.
You press it again. All right, so now we're gonna go a little bit to the right, and we're gonna bring the plane down as well. Landing gear down. Auto brakes on 2, speed brake on, not too much. It's okay.
Forget the sensitivity.
We just overspeed a little bit. That's okay. I'm gonna correct that. You see how anything we do wrong, we hear an alarm?
Yeah.
That's true.
It's the green box on there. Is
The
that
green box is exactly what we need to be.
okay.
That's us. See the runway is right there. Right there. See outside?
Oh yeah.
So it's showing us to go a little bit to the left. That's exactly how we're doing, not too much. And bring the nose up a little bit. Flaps 25. There. Not too much. Excellent. Remember the 300 passengers?
Yeah.
We want to get the clapping. As a matter of fact, we didn't, huh?
They don't do that anymore.
Well, sometimes they do.
The island's
I
not.
clapped the first time.
You did?
Yeah, I
Okay,
did.
okay, okay. So we're gonna get it again. All right. We have the first class passenger here.
Why did that? Is that because of the amount of? Because all of a sudden the pink went way off to the side.
It's coming back because we off the signal. So you see, we need to go just a bit to the right, but we're still below.
Okay.
So we lost one diamond.
Yeah. So we gotta go down.
We're gonna go up as a matter of fact because the diamond's showing up.
Oh, okay.
Just a little bit. We're gonna correct it again. That we lost the diamond. We're gonna get the diamond back.
Okay.
There it is. See, it's coming back and down. Now we have the visual again on the runway.
All right.
At this moment, we would say runway in sight.
Right.
And if you're the pilot flying, you'd say landing. Because I saw the runway, I call you up, and you confirm. If you don't see the runway, you would say not landing.
Okay. See you now.
Very good, very good. And that's where the people stands in on the beach,
Yeah.
right there.
Approaching 09.
So at this moment, you see, we are getting the left diamond back to the center.
Yeah.
See how we're just going a little bit to the left. Almost don't feel it. See how it's moving?
Yeah.
It's very sensitive. Now we go back to it. Remember, the wind is pushing us all the way, right?
Right.
So those small corrections is very normal. And of course, this is the easy flight. The next one is the challenge. And it's my favorite.
200.
Very good, very good.
100.
Up a little bit. And let it flare.
50. 40.
That's
30.
it. Let it
20.
flare.
10.
Thrusters are on. Right foot. Press right foot. There you go. Right a little more.
Manual braking.
Now, this airport, it's a small airport, okay? It doesn't have a taxiway.
Right.
That means that the airport at this moment is closed because we are on the runway. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a turn and come back to the terminal. How do we do that?
Go this way.
No,
No.
we use the tiller. You see here on the left hand side, little tiller.
Oh Oh yeah.
Okay, so I want you to turn right a little bit. Perfect. Now, not yet. Make a turn to the left, all the way, and hold. And hold. Don't let it go. And just hold. Don't let it go. Don't let it go. Don't let it go.
I was afraid to clap this time. I was too busy.
Now.
Hold it on. Okay. Now we're
On
gonna go
runway
back to the
2,
center line here. Okay?
7. Caution, short runway,
Very
short
good.
runway.
So the tiller on the bigger planes just
Yeah.
turns the nose wheels.
Ah.
Okay, that's all it's doing. Very good. Also, very, very sensitive.
Yes.
As you can see, I'm not applying any power, and we're still at 26 nautical miles. You see ground speed?
Yeah.
Right there. So, 2 tricks for turning. We can use only one engine to help you make the turn,
Right.
or I can press the brakes. Brakes are also on the pedals, but they are differential brakes on the very top. See,
Okay.
I'm gonna do that. Both together, we're gonna come to a stop. See? Now, differential brakes, if I only press my right foot, it will lock up the wheels
Right.
on the right and will make the turn.
Right.
Remember, we don't use this much because each tire costs only $3,500. Okay? We scrap too much, our supervisor give us a call. What's going on? We have to change the tire on you guys all the time because we're using too much the brakes. So what we try to do is we keep the momentum, the plane is going, also back, forth. The passengers don't like it, and we're spending money on the fuel.
Yeah. I've
Okay.
been on a couple of those flights.
So we keep the momentum. So I'm gonna apply a little bit power.
Yeah.
The plane is gonna go again, and we're gonna make a right turn here on
Okay.
this yellow line. See? That's
Okay.
all I do. And you see the yellow line?
Yeah.
That's our direction. See, we took too long on the runway. A plane just abort, take landing. Right there. Turn. There you